my name is Jerry Ramos, and today we're going to study the pattern of Bolero. Bolero started in the late 19th century in eastern Cuba, which was part of the Trova tradition. Let's take a listen. Now let's look at the left-hand relationship in playing the Bolero pattern. Note that we're playing in son clave, and we're also playing on the 3 side of that clave, which is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We're playing a 2-bar phrase in G major. So our first notes are going to be G, followed by the 5th, which would be D. Then we'll play the low octave of D. Then move into the second measure, which is A minor, followed by the 5th again, which is D, and then we'll play the low octave of D. Let's listen. Now let's look at how the right hand plays the pattern with alternating fingerings. We're going to start off with the second finger and alternate with the index. Let's listen. Now let's look at how the right hand plays the same pattern with 2 fingers together in order to get a much more broader and deeper tone. Let's listen. It's always best for the bassist to understand the tools and the options available to them in order to service the song. And in this example, the Bolero. Less is always more. I hope you found this tutorial insightful, and I look forward to reading your comments. Thanks again, and don't forget to smash the like button. Bye-bye.